So I was gonna do this all fancy and stuff, but fuck that. You're here because you want to know how to do it, right? So I said, fuck that. You're here, welcome, what's up? So this is how to make money on the creativity program. Here I'm gonna just show you one of my pages that we started. It's just loading up, hold up. Let's see. So right here, this one page, it's loading. Just so you know I'm not fucking bullshitting. This one page right here has made $6,199 in the last whatever. It's real, okay? Just so you can see. Yep. All right, that's the creativity program. Basically, you get paid for 1 minute videos, okay? So how to do it. First thing, you need to get like 10,000 followers on TikTok. That's easy. I'm gonna show you how to go viral and how to get those 10,000 followers. But let's say you're already doing that, okay? You already got your 10,000. You can either do it the way I like to do it, which is growing the page organically. You can get to 10,000 followers literally in a day. Also, some other people do buy accounts. So you can just buy an account with 10,000 followers and boom, okay? Once you do that, you're good. Now all you have to do is start creating 1 minute videos. That's it. I don't want to make this over complicated and try to make it all fancy edits, because that's all you have to do. Once you get an account, post 1 minute long videos. Now the thing is going to be like, what niche do you want to go ahead and make videos on? Do you want to go ahead and do motivational? Do you want to do gym? Do you want to do cooking? Do you want to use your own face and blow up your own personal brand? You could do it like that too. Literally just pick a niche and every single day post. Minimum 1 video, okay? You can go ahead, I know you've seen the people that tell you to get GTA game clips on the bottom and then put your, like, clip up streamers at the top. You can do that too, okay? The problem with doing it that way is that TikTok's cracking down on unoriginal content right now. So if you grab clips which are already kind of being viral or used with other TikTok accounts, or if you grab like the wrong GTA clip or the wrong Fortnite clip or the wrong gameplay to put under your video, is that they might flag your account and then they're gonna remove you from the creativity program. So that's iffy about that. You really do have to make original content. So if you don't know how to edit, it's super easy. I'll make a video on how to edit, but that's all you have to do. Every single, look, this is how I do it though. I go ahead and make the original content. So I like to do gym stuff. So I go ahead and get a page and post gym videos, motivational videos. I grab, let's say, David Goggins clips or like whatever, whoever Z's clips, make a little edited clip, add text on it, and boom, boom. You can use CapCut, you can use iMovie, you can use the TikTok editor inside the app, and just fucking post, bro. Like, that's literally the game of this, posting, seeing what works, okay? Once you get your first viral video, you'll notice like, okay, this video works, so I'm gonna start doing more videos like this. It's all about testing. All these other people selling you on like, hey, do it like this or do it like that, they're just trying to sell you on their method. Everything works. You have to find a way that it will work for you. So that's what I do, okay? That's literally all I did. This page right here is motivation gym, and they pay $1 to, I've seen people get paid like $5, I think like even more, for 1,000 views. So that's all you have to do. It might seem like, oh my gosh, it's so easy or so simple, but in reality, it is this simple, it is this easy. You can easily make an extra $1,000 a month by posting 1 minute videos on TikTok. And that's just one of the ways to make money on TikTok. So that's how you do it. I'm gonna go ahead and make some right now.